Discovering Character.AI, you can unlock the world of intelligent conversations. So what we'll cover is what is Character.AI, what are its key features, how you can get started, the practical uses for seniors, safety and privacy tips, and finally we'll have a demo. So ignore the title here. What is Character.AI? Character.AI is an online platform where users can chat with AI-driven characters. These characters can mimic real or fictional personalities, or you can even make your own character. This is designed for fun, learning, and interactive storytelling. It is an online platform where users can chat with AI-driven characters. These characters can mimic real or fictional personalities, such as maybe you want to talk with the Hobbit from The Lord of the Rings, or you want to talk with Einstein. So you can have the character mimic that personality and then talk to them. So why should you use Character.AI? There's engagement. You can have interactive, dynamic conversations on various topics. You can use it as a resource to explore new skills or subjects. You can use it to learn languages or get some cooking tips. Companionship. Character.AI provides company to those feeling lonely or needing someone to talk to. Maybe someone you know is busy, so you just want to have a conversation with someone, you can go to Character.AI. And finally, creativity. You can bring your imaginative characters to life for storytelling or role play. How does it work? You interact with AI by typing messages, and it responds instantly based on its programming and personality. Characters are powered by advanced AI capable of adapting to conversation flow. Each AI has its distinct tone and expertise. For example, a historian can answer questions regarding history. Accessing Character.AI. Open a web browser and go to www.character.ai. Click Sign Up, or you can also log in with your email. You can try to explore the homepage. First, you can browse and explore the features and the trending characters that other people like to talk to. You can also use the search function. There's a search bar on the top right where you can enter the specific character's name, maybe Einstein, and you can also search for a topic or a theme. And there's also an area for categories where you can browse the category of the conversation you want to have, such as learning or fun or role play. Once you click on a character's profile, you will see a chat window. There's an example here on the right of a chat with Albert Einstein. You can type your message in the input box and the AI will reply immediately. Many characters adapt their tone based on the way you engage. They can talk to you formally or casually, depending on what your language is when talking to them. For example, you can ask Einstein about relativity and he'll respond scientifically. However, if you asked about his favorite music, he'll share a more personal take. You can also create your own character. You can click the Create button on the top left. You can give your character a name and write a description of its personality, behavior, and expertise. You can test your character by chatting with it, and you can fine-tune its settings, such as the tone and how good you want it to be at understanding the context. You can save your creation and share it with others, or you can keep your character private. For example, you can try creating a gardening expert character to offer tips on plant care. Here are some use cases for seniors. Skill building. You can practice new hobbies like painting, cooking, or learning languages. Interactive learning. Characters explain topics simply and are quite patient, unlike human tutors. Fight loneliness. Enjoy companionship by chatting with AI personalities tailored to your taste. Storytelling and roleplay. You can bring creative stories to life by interacting with fictional or historical characters. Some of the characters even have audio, so it feels like you're having a real conversation with them. Safety and privacy tips. Don't share your personal information, such as your full name, your address, or your bank details. You should try to stick to verified characters, which are popular or well reviewed by others. That way, you'll be sure it's a trustworthy interaction. And you can also report inappropriate behavior. You can use the report feature if a character's behavior is offensive or inaccurate. Common questions are: is it free? Yes, basic use is free, but premium offers some additional features. Can you use it on your phone? Yes, it works on browsers and apps. What can I ask the characters? You can ask them anything, from a casual chat to detailed questions on specific subjects. Is it safe? Yes, it is safe, provided you follow the privacy guidelines and use trusted characters. Try it yourself. You can try to visit the website and explore characters that match your interests. You can also try making your own AI personality and bring it to life. Make it a fun activity by exploring different themes, history, or hobbies. Thanks for listening.